will be booking.
Ayun yun.
Kiara is booking.
So,
We're here. We just went out from the train station. JR Shinagawa Station. So impressive. Hindi, mabilis yung taxi.
okay.
So kami sa gitna. Ano? Impressive yung high-rise na mga buildings. Ilang minutes yung taxi cars?
Ha?
Nandiyan na?
Taxi is 5,018. Taxi.
Maliit na lang difference sa taxi and van eh.
Sa?
Yan siya oh.
Maliit lang yung difference sa taxi and van.
731 ang van, tapos ang Premier is 5,000 pa rin siya.
Hindi, mag-taxi ka na lang din.
Taxi?
Oo.
Ditong taxi kasi, hindi.
Check mo yung...
Ito kasi 3.8 siya, pero most likely 5,000. Yan ganyan yung range nila eh.
Baka 3.8 lang din. Kasya sa atin ba?
Ayun, gusto mo i-try?
Sige lang. Sige.
So,
Okay.
Kasi naman
Pero
tayo.
baka kasi
Hindi
sa
naman-
taxi stand siya mapunta. Pero
hindi,
sige.
kung saan yung pin mo na siya punta.
Dito?
Kaya
O, dyan.
pin dito.
Hindi naman abot ng
Port.
4.
Gusto mo yung JR? Ayaw nga no? He's missing!
Kasya na to, hindi magreklamo na to. For
Taxi?
taxi oh. Kasi pasok sa likod
Kasi
niyan.
gusto yung taxi stand tayo dyan oh.
Hmm?
Yan ang tayo ng taxi na lang kaya, mas mura pa.
Paano ang direction?
We just keep the pin. Right ba? I tried that so many times before na.
Mas mura ba ang taxi dito?
Kasi,
Yan na paraan.
Uy, there's an airplane sa taas. Wow. Nice.
okay.
Andyan na, confirm?
6 minutes daw.
Taxi? Taxi yan? Ha?
Other side daw.
Sige, let's go. Doon. Going taxi area. We're here in Shinagawa Station. Saan yung pick up ito?
Ito.
Ah, ito? Sa'yo mo?
Ito mismo.
Oh. Pick up station here. Huh?
Ano to?
It's a statue.
Anong statue to? Yan o. It's the Shinagawa Station.
Prime.
Yung ano to, yung pin sa kuan, sakto kayars. Baka mali naman to.
Mali.
Shit.
Hana will be
Shit.
adding na naman destination.
Shit. Mali.
Somebody is sitting illegally.
Uy, with the flowers, oh.
The-
So pretty.
Flowers. Tunay ba ito na flowers?
Naman.
Don't ano ha. Baka pink ka ng flowers.
Pwede ba?
Bawal. May fine daw. 10,000 yen.
Nice, eh? Flowers. Tunay na flowers here in the streets of near Shinagawa.
Sino nakaiwan ng camera?
Don't point anywhere, but
Saan?
Sino nakaiwan ng camera?
don't point it anywhere because that's bawal, especially in Japan. Not face level.
Kasi pwede.
Noy Pinoy, Pinoy. Noy Pinoy, Pinoy.
Ma'am, can you talk about why SB19
Oo nga.
is making it big in Japan?
Sige daw.
Are they gonna make it big in Japan?
Yes,
Why?
because they partnered with the biggest boy group in Japan.
What's the
And then they
biggest boy
entered
group?
the karaoke brand. So they're now in one of the songs in that karaoke.